Welcome back to G Mercedes in Cedar City, Utah with this 1995 two-door long wheelbase. It's a relatively rare vehicle, so the two-door long wheelbase was not manufactured in high volume. So this one has a 290, 2.9 liter. It was a non-turbo vehicle, so we upgraded it to a turbo. So your engine is an OM602, if you want to look that up. So OM602, still equipped with a calibrated, or now equipped with a calibrated mechanical pump, rated for approximately 140 horsepower. So that would be your turbo version. So of course we added the turbo, we upgraded the cooling system, we changed the all steel radiator for an aluminum one, since it has way more capacity and it cools way better, and also was changed, of course, the water pump. So in terms of your cooling, it's quite different, and especially in terms of driving the vehicle, it's a huge difference to the original configuration. So this started as a military vehicle, Dutch military, so they were very fond of the two-door long wheelbase, as also in the two-door short wheelbase. So the 250, as in the German military ones, they were not so popular in the Netherlands. Maybe the Dutch military wasn't equipped for the convertible top, I don't know. Clothing maybe. So this one, Dutch military, low miles, absolutely crazy solid. And for us, a super nice base to work on and to upgrade and to make it into the vehicle it now is. We repainted, of course we took everything off the vehicle, so everything was out, doors were off, windows were out, and we repainted it in concrete grey, as you can see. We also added the fender flares, of course bumpers, trim, rims, etc., all sandblasted, powder coated, zinc coated, powder coated. Bumper end caps also not available on the military version, so that was added as well. So we upgraded to a bigger tire size, and that is what we could do, since now we are running a turbo diesel and you cannot do that on a non-turbo. Well, you could, but you know, getting up the hill will be a hassle, and in the long run you will absolutely kill your engine, because everything is just not geared up for it. So we changed the interior as well. It was of course military green. Now it features the black, all black interior. We also added, because they do not come with the rear seats, we also added the rear single seats. We developed our own little seat buckets for it, so had space way enough. So also told people like me, 6'6", you can squeeze in easily. So your passenger seat, that one swivels forward, which gives you a perfect way to get into your rear seats. Your windows slide open, and as you can see, quite a bit, so that gives these passengers a really good look at the environment. By the way, your tires be of good reach, as you can see, and we are running the 235/85/16, which is a perfect size for the combination it now has in turbo and the 5-speed overdrive transmission. So that's a very good match. your 5-speed overdrive transmission, of course your four-wheel drive that you can engage while driving, your AC system, which is completely new, of course, a really, really nice dash, no extra holes, no crazy stuff. We changed the speedometer to the miles one, makes it maybe a bit easier to stay under the speed limit. You are driving a turbo diesel. So in all, a very, very solid, nice vehicle. Of course, as in original, it's equipped with a plastic tank. So these 461 types, they do not have the steel tank anymore, which is a huge benefit because you have more fuel capacity and also they don't rust. So everything professionally painted. As you can see, we did not leave any dents, any scratches. So the whole floor, everything looks like this. So in a gorgeous condition. By the way, the floor mats, many people asking me for this material. So we buy this over in Europe and it is actually recycled rubber. It insulates quite well and also it just looks good. So everything is clean, as you can see. Of course, no new door seals. That's the seat I was talking about. So this one swivels forward. And also under your floor mats, a clean environment. Your drain plug, just in case. It even has a small map light, as you can see. Can already take a peek at the radiator. Open up the hood. Or make another video with the engine running. So your 290 engine, 2.9 liter, 5-cylinder. Of course, you do have your power brakes, your power steering. And guess what? That's it. No, just kidding. So we added the turbo. You are still running your 24 volts. Doesn't mean that you cannot hook up anything you want to hook up on 12 volts because, as you can already guess, it's 2 times 12 volts, so you can easily hook up your phone, etc. Your aluminum radiator. We did a complete service on the whole vehicle, of course, so all fluids, all filters, everything is new, ready to go. We left the main kill switch, as you can see, because it can be quite handy if you have to park in an area that you don't really trust. You can just turn the key and there will be no power to the engine. So it is more difficult to start. So it is some kind of a nice protection. Mirrors are original. So of course your mechanical pump, as already mentioned, no electronics, no computers. You can drive on biodiesel. So if you have any questions about this 1995 290 turbo diesel 5-speed overdrive transmission, low miles, solid, repainted, 4 single seats, 2 jump seats, AC, then please do let me know. My number 435-559-0104, or as you can see on the side, info@g-mercedes.com, and here you also have my website with more vehicles. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.